Hey students, a very good morning to all of you. Students, how are you all? I hope so that you all are fine and you all enjoying your new concepts. So students, I am Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2. This video is in continuation of your previous one, and in this video we are going to cover the second subject, which is maths today. So kindly bring out your maths book as well as a sharp pencil and eraser. I'm repeating it again. You all have to be ready with your mathematics book, which is there on screen. This is your child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit 1 of 2 joyful D. As well as you need to carry a sharp pencil and erasers with you, right? So once you are done, then we will start our today's session. So kindly hurry up and be ready. Hurry up, students. I'm waiting for you all. Okay, I hope so that you all are ready now. Let's open your maths book. So today the worksheet which I am going to introduce you is a fun-filled worksheet and you must like this worksheet. I'm damn sure. So please come on page number 4646. Students, today we are going to start with a new unit, that is unit E, and here the caption is missing articles and what belongs. So please turn your page around. Now you will come on page number 4747. It will look like this. I will show you the number. The number is mentioned below. It's your page number 4747, right? So you all have to open this worksheet, students. The caption is missing articles. You will see this picture carefully. There are two pictures and both of the pictures are same, but there is a difference and there are some missing articles in this both of these pictures. So what we have to do, we have to search those missing articles from this picture. So this is a fun filled activity now. Yes? Okay, so we will do this today. So students, before starting this worksheet, you all have to write the date on top. Also circle the date today and whatever the weather is today, you all have to circle the clip art. Okay, once you will done with this, then we will find our missing articles. So please be ready, hurry up, then we will start. So this is my favorite thing to do. I used to do this in since my childhood. Okay, so this is very fun filled activity. Students, you also like this activity. So I hope so that you are done with your part. Now students, let's find the missing means जो यहाँ पर नहीं है ऑब्जेक्ट्स, वो आर्टिकल्स, वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो इस पिक्चर में नहीं है. You have to find those articles. So let's start. Firstly, we have to look the very first picture carefully and then we will find the missing articles which is not there in the second picture. So students, see, the very first one is done for us. See, this is the fan, okay? And if you see the next picture, so there is no fan. So that means this fan is the missing article. So we have to find lots of missing articles. So let's see the information given to us. So students, what is written over here, compare the two pictures. So ये जो आपको two similar kind की pictures आपको given है ना, उसको आपने compare करना है, ठीक है? And tick in picture A, और picture A में आपको tick mark करना है उन objects को those are missing in picture B. जो आपकी picture B में missing objects हैं उनको आपको पिक्चर ए में यहाँ पर दिस इज द पिक्चर ए, सी दैट इज मेंशन ओवर हियर ए, यहाँ पर आपको टिक मार्क करना है. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट वन इज डन फॉर अस जस्ट टू हेल्प अस. ओके, सो we don't know how many objects are missing. So let's see, is there written कि आपको कितने missing objects find out करने हैं. So it's already written there are 5 missing objects. तो हमें total 5 ऑब्जेक्ट्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं जो मिसिंग है पिक्चर में, राइट? सो यू ऑल हैव टू फोकस वेरी केयरफुली, बहुत ध्यान से आपको फोकस करना है. ओके, so now there is a conversation also. Let's read the conversation and then we will start. I know आपको बहुत जल्दी है, you want to find the missing articles, but let's read the information now, because it's help us. Cover the picture A and ask the children what objects they can recall. So Tina, the girl, said, "This is the best indoor activity." Yes, Tina is right. I also like this activity. So Tony said, "Let us do one more." Tina said, "I have one more set." So Tony said, "Let me see." Both play. So they both are playing. You also want to play? Yes, ma'am. So students, let's see. So students, firstly we will see the very first picture. So there is a fan, AC, door, computer, chair, vase, glass, table, teddy bear, sofa, cushions. There is also a chair. There is a bicycle, vase, table, curtains, window, and there is something outside the window. I think that's a butterfly. There is one more fan, lamp. There is a bed also, with blanket and bed sheet, or you can say the pillow. So students, now we will observe this picture. So the very first thing which is not there in this picture is fan. Then no desktop, or you can say computer is not there. So we will come to the first picture and put a tick on computer, because computer is missing in the next picture. Now we will observe one more thing. So there is no teddy bear. So come to the next upward picture. So this is the second article which is missing, students. Now again we have to find more. So what's next? Which is missing? Lamp. See, there is no lamp. So we will try to put a tick on lamp. Plus, one more thing is missing. What is this? It's your was. Was is not there. So we will come up and put a tick on was too. So how many we will find till now? One, two, three, four. But there are five missing. So let's see what's next. It's your bicycle, right? So come up and put a tick over here. So you like this activity? I to love this activity. This is my favorite indoor activity. So students, you all have to complete this worksheet. This is a fun-filled way of finding missing articles. Okay, so please complete this worksheet by today and share your work on regular basis. That's it for your today session. We will meet with the next concept. Okay, till then you all have to revise your previous concept. Have a good day. Bye bye.